What's going on, everybody? Aaron here, and today for Gunpla Hangar, we're doing something fun. We're doing the Gundam Sandrock from Gundam Wing. This is the last of the hero Gundams that I have. Now, I will say that this one right here was one of the first kits. I completed all of these back when I was a kid, and during my time of doing these, it was kind of hard to put them together just because of all the little stickers and stuff that were on them. But I really can't wait to put this one together. I got this one because it's saran wrap, or because it's shrink wrapped. I know I got this off of like Amazon or eBay, because you know the websites that I order from now don't use this stuff, which is so much better. But I will say that these kits are the older kits, and I can tell they're the older kits because one, they have the chin sticker, and two, because they include the hero in them. So I can't wait to put this one together. So anyway, let's get started. Okay, so first things first. Here are the tools you're going to need to do this. You're going to need a pair of nippers. I like these nippers. These are really nice. I got these in a kit from Amazon for like dirt cheap. A good X-Acto knife, just to kind of trim off some of that excess that you might need to trim off. A couple of pairs of tweezers. I've got like the bent tip and the fine tip. I use those mostly for like if I have to like put a poly cap into a joint that I can't get my fingers in, or to put stickers on. So anyway, let's go ahead and get started. So let's get it out of the kit and see how many runners we're working with. Alright, this is a traditional, like I said, traditional kit from the original Wing launch back in the late 90s, early 2000s. So it does come with poly caps, a couple of runners there, one runner there, and I've got maybe two more runners there, and I have the Catra figure, which looks like he's probably gonna need some glue on that, because he looks like he's not a full. He's sitting in his traditional pose. Here is the detailed guide on how to set him up. It's in Japanese. I don't read Japanese well, but you can tell it tells you where to glue, how to get him in place, and how to color him, what colors you'll need. So I'm gonna go ahead and get all the runners out. This is the detailed handbook, and I can tell this is one of the older kits because the handbook has the model actually panel lined out and in something, compared to like an anime drawing, like they would, or like some of the anime drawings they would use. So let's get all this out of the box here, or get all this out of the packaging. And like I said, not too many runners today, so this is going to be a super easy kit. Again, if you've never done one of these kits, I suggest the Wing kits are pretty easy. They're HG kits, so they're very... HG kits are always a good starter, and SD kits are even greater for starters. So definitely go ahead and line up with one of those. But anyway, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so here we have the final kit in its detail. As you can see, it's got the little Catra figure with it. It really looks good. Those stickers were a little pain to put on, but other than that, not bad. Here I have it posing with the sickles, which as you saw in the backpack, they can go in the backpack as well. But they can also fit inside the shield, which is really cool. Altogether, that was a pretty decent sell for me there, because it wasn't a bad kit. And I've got it here posing now with the SMG. As you can see, the SMG has a little peg right there, so it can go into the back, you know, right there on that tail piece right there. You can see it has a hole right there ready for it. But altogether, not a bad kit, super cheap, super fun, definitely worth getting. So I would check it out. Alright guys, that's it for today's episode. Thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. You can check us out on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you thought of today's build or what you'd like to see me build next. Click on that bell icon. That's going to keep you up to date with what we're doing, when we're doing it, you know, all that jazz. Check in the description for some links for all my awesome friends' awesome works. The new merch store, which we have available now over at TeePublic. And, yeah. Anyway, thank y'all so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.